Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be using a microdermabrasion kit. The company Microglo sent me this product right here for me to try out here on YouTube. I'm so excited because I've never gotten a microdermabrasion facial thing, whatever, on my face. So this is a at-home microdermabrasion kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. But before I do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a like before we continue. Alright, so here is the kit. This is how it looks like. It's from Microglo, and in the back it tells you what is included. Okay, it has 4 speed modes, 5 customable heads, instruction manual, a USB charger, and 10 filters. So it says here that the Microglo is an at-home skincare tool that provides the same results as a professional in-office microdermabrasion treatment. It has 4 different speeds along with 5 different head types to accommodate sensitive skin to accommodate for sensitive skin and other treatments. And of course it says, please refer to the manual for further directions. Do not use this product without first viewing the instructional video. Make sure to follow the instruction explicitly, otherwise you can injure your skin and possibly cause scabbing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Put some magnet. Look at that. Woohoo! Okay. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. Inside it tells you, here's how it works. So it has this envelope. When you open it up, it tells you the 4 different types of head it has. You have one for very sensitive skin, sensitive to moderate skin, coarse, and one for the body and the feet. And it also gives you a little bit of tips. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you. Oh, this looks very fancy. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Ta-da! So this is the machine, and this is the on button. So let me see what it sounds like. That's very low. That's speed 2. That's speed 3. That's speed 4. And then shut it off. Now there is a little box in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Here is the USB cord, and we have the 10 filters. Woo! Alright, step 1 is to wash your face. I'm gonna wash my face here on camera. I just came back from washing my face, and I'm going to let my face dry. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and we are going to be practicing on our arm. So I do have sensitive skin. It's not very sensitive, but it is sensitive to moderate. So I'm going to be using head number 2. In order to put the filter, there's this white thing right here. You have to take it out, okay, and in here you put the filter. I didn't know where to put the filter, and I took this off and the filter was in there. I'm just gonna pop it in right there, okay, and I'm going to practice on my hand. So I'm gonna put it on level 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna try number 3. Wow, that's a lot of suction. So that's number 3. Let's see number 4. Number 4 has a lot of suction. Okay. Yeah, don't leave it on there too long because you do get like a little red dot. Whoa. Okay, so I think my face is dry. So are you ready to get on with this? Dun, dun, dun. So I'm going to put on number 4. Okay, here we go. You're gently going to put it on here and then slowly go upward. Okay, so I already did this part. Now you don't want to go through this section more than one time, okay? So you just want to make one pass and then go on to the next section. Now the beauty about this is it does not hurt. So now I'm going to do this side. I'm going to go down. So I just finished using this on my face and it was very simple to use. It was just one quick pass and you're done for every single, area on your face. They do recommend that you wait 7 days for your next treatment. Use this once a week, and then after 8 to 12 sessions, they recommend that you use it once a month. So you should be seeing a difference in your skin, in the pores, it helps reduce fine lines. So yeah, after you do your treatment, now it's time to go ahead and apply your toner and your moisturizer. But the company was nice enough to send me this mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So I'm gonna apply this. Oh my God. So here's the mask. It's dripping everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this part off. Interesting. I don't know where to throw this away. I'm just gonna, right there. I'm gonna just put it here. Oh, there. Ta-da! Oh man, it feels really good, especially after the treatment. Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes and then I will be back. Time for the final reveal. Oh, it feels so good. Huh. Man, this is very hydrating. I'm just going to massage whatever's left over onto my skin. Feels so good. Put a gel on my neck. So after every use, you have to clean the head with rubbing alcohol or warm water. You also have to clean the inside. So I'm gonna pop this off so I can clean the inside. I wanted to do it on camera. So you're just gonna get the cotton swab with alcohol, and in here in this middle, it's dirty. So you want to just take that cotton ball that has some rubbing alcohol or warm water, and you're just going to twist it in there until it cleans all of it. So once that is clean, you want to make sure that you take out the filter. So let's see how much junk came out of my face. Oh my God, this thing is so dirty. So after every use, you must get rid of this thing and then put a new filter in there. Okay? Very important. So my final thoughts on this product is I really like it. I am going to be using it for 8 to 12 more times. Again, please don't forget to remove the filter inside by using tweezers. Overall, this has a lot of benefits. It's really good for fine lines, to close these pores, to get rid of some dead skin. Yeah, I really love this. Thank you so much, Microglo, for sending me this product. Again, this is my opinion on this product right here. In the description box below, I am going to be leaving you a link and a promo code that you can use to save 20% off on this machine. I think it's very worth it. You can save a lot of money just by having this microdermabrasion kit at home, because most of the time when you go to a salon, it's about $100 to $200 just for one treatment. And here it is you can do this at the comfort in your own home. So I'm so glad. Not only that, but it's also portable and rechargeable. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I cannot wait for the next one, and I love you guys. And if you are new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.